Hello, children. I hope you all are doing good. Children, let us learn an interesting chapter from our social science major landforms. Yes. Children, by looking at the pictures here, can you please guess what is that major landforms consists of? Yes, you are right. Mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, and rivers. Yes, children. The major landforms are nothing but the physical features or the physical divisions of our Earth. Now let us look about our Earth's surface. Our Earth is made up of land and water. 29% of our Earth's surface is covered by land, and while water covers 71%. Children, please look into the pie chart here. Yes. So the blue colored part of our earth is nothing but the water, that is 71%, whereas the green color indicates land, which is 29%. Children, do you think our surface of earth is flat or uniform? Yes, it is not at all flat or uniform. So some parts are flat and level while others are raised. That is the reason that our Earth's surface is classified into various types or various landforms. What are they, children? Mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, and rivers. Children, please could you repeat with me? The major landforms of our Earth are mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, and rivers. Yes, great. Children, now let us look into the first major landform, that is mountains. Yes, a landform which prominently rises from the surrounding land. What is a mountain? It is a landform which prominently rises from the surrounding land. Yes. Now, how is it considered to be a mountain? Yes, we have a definition saying that any prominently rising landform which should be rising above the sea level, rising above the mean sea level at a height of 900 meters. How many meters, children? 900 meters and above. So the raised landform should be above 900 meters. To what? To the mean sea level. Mean sea level is nothing but the average sea level. Okay. So the mountains cover about 20% of our total land area of the earth. How much percentage, children? 20% of the total land area. We have how much land percentage in total on the earth? We have 29%. When this 29% is considered to be 100%, then how much percentage this mountains consists of? 20%. Okay, of the total land area on the earth. Yes. So the mountains differ in height and shape. Yeah, obviously they have their own different heights and different shapes. Now let us look into it. They have very steep slopes. They have very steep slopes. What do you mean by the word steep, children? Steep is nothing but a sudden rise or a fall. What it is? A sudden rise. Okay? A very, very noticeable rise or the fall. So, the highest point of the mountains is called peak or summit. What is the highest point of the mountain is called, children? A peak or summit. Children, let me ask you a question. Which is the highest mountain form on our earth? Yes, you are absolutely correct, children. It is Mount Everest. Mount Everest. Yes. So, children, when talking about the major landform, that is mountains, what is that we have learned? It is a landform which prominently rises from the surrounding land. It rises, the height should be above 900 meters, mean sea level, above the mean sea level. And how much percentage it is occupying on our earth? 20% of the total land area. Yes. And the mountains differ in their height and shapes. So the highest point of the mountain is also known as what? Peak or summit. Now children, as we discussed, saying that the mountains have different shapes and sizes. Yes, now let us see few more details about it. The difference in height and shape is due to the age of the mountains. Oh, children, mountains also have ages. Great, right? Yes. So, the mount depending upon what? Their age. The mountains are classified into older mountains and young mountains. How are they classified, children? Older mountains and young mountains. So, the Himalayas and Alps are young mountains with conical peaks. Children, please look into this picture of Himalayas where you can see the peak. What is the shape, children, here? Conical, correct. So, what is the example of young mountains? The Himalayas. Yes, the Himalayan range from our country is an example for the young mountains, as well as the Alps. The Mount Alps is a from European. Where does the Alps situated, children? They are mountains in Europe. Yes. So, what is that? They are young mountains having conical peaks, where you can see the peaks here, they're in the shape of a cone. Yes, the and the next example with the older mountains, while Aravallis and Appalachians are old. What are these? The Aravalli mountains and the Appalachians. Aravallis are example from our country, India. Children, you can see a noticeable change from the peaks of Himalayas to the peaks of Aravallis. Can you see any conical shape here, children? No, they are round. They are rounded at their peaks. So, and the older mountains are also lesser in height and have rounded peaks. Yes. So, what are the young mountains, children? Examples for the young mountains are Himalayas and Alps, whereas the older mountains are Aravallis and Appalachians. Okay. Now, several mountains may join together to form a chain or a range. Yes. So, we have learned in your previous year that Himalayan mountain ranges. So, what are they? They are chain of mountains. Okay. The mountains are in a chain. So, such chain of mountains together, they are known as what, children? A chain or a range. So, few more examples are Andes in South America and Rockies in North America are examples for a range of mountains. In our country, Himalayas as well as Aravallis are also a chain of mountains considered to be a range of mountains. Yes, children, I think this is clear about the older mountains and the younger mountains.